Hello and welcome back to GS Simple. In this video I will show you how we can create contour lines from a DTM, from a digital terrain model. As we saw in one of the preceding videos, this is a DTM, a digital terrain model, representing the elevation of the terrain in Sicily. And by the way, this is an ASTER GDEM with a cell size, so with a resolution of about 30 meters. Now we are going to create contour lines. As you may know, contour lines are lines that are actually connecting cells with the same elevation. So let's search for the contour tool. So we can search contour, click on contour, we click on the tool, and so the input raster for this tool will be the DTM, a digital terrain model. And then we give the path and name of the output vector dataset, which is contour. We can put underscore and, for example, 250, just to keep track of what we are going to do in the next step, that is inserting the contour interval. The contour interval is the interval or distance between contour lines. So in this case we put 250, and we can leave the other two fields as they are by default. So we click OK, and we let the tool run. So the tool has finished, and so we can change the color of the contours. Double click on the contour layer, symbology. We can use something more visible, like maybe even black, maybe 1.20 as a width. Click OK, click Apply, click OK. And so, as you can see, we have some lines, we have contour lines that are indicating, that are actually connecting cells that have the same elevation value. Maybe we can decrease the width of the contours, so maybe we'll try with just one. So this is better. And maybe we can also put labels along these contours. So we double click on the contour layer, we go on the Labels tab, we click on Label feature in this layer, and then from this drop-down menu we select the field of this contour attribute table containing the elevation value for each contour line. We click Apply, we click OK. So as you can see, there is a label accompanying each contour line. The labels are not so visible. So as you can see here we have 1250, 1500, and so forth. We can also make these labels larger. So we go on Properties, Labels, and we can increase the size of the font. And we can also adjust the symbology, the outlook, the appearance of the underlying DTM, and we can break the elevation values into classes, the same way we saw in one of my preceding videos. So we can double click on the DTM layer, symbology, we can select classified, and then we choose the color scale, and then we can click on classify. Let's try define interval, and we here input the interval size, which is equal to the one that we use for the contour, so 250. We click OK, we can click apply. We remove the color that is given to the C extent, no color. Okay, and so now, as you can see, we have a better representation of our DTM using the DTM with the color scale classified into different classes with a defined interval of 250 meters. And on top of that, we have our contour lines that have been created with a contour interval of 250 meters. So as you can see, this is Mount Etna, and the contour lines are matching the classes in which we have broken down the values of the underlying DTM. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, and if you want to, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.